All right, I'll show you how we get to the MFA. I'm on a bike. That was Ruggles. So the way we would get there is using the orange line to go to Ruggles. We get off, come out that side, take a right. Now this isn't a per se bike path. Okay? It's a way that we walk. I'm demonstrating it on the path, or on the bike, in the interest of time. So we'll come down here, heads up for buses and students and all that. We're going to take a right at this light. We're going to take a right. And we're heading into the northeastern campus, like the inside of it, portion of it. So what we do is we'll walk through the campus like this. And I'll show you where it gets you. That was a security from the university. We'll go right here. The scooter's got the idea. And here we are. There's the green line that just stopped at Museum of Fine Arts. That's the MFA right there across the street. So then you get here, this crossing, this area is a little clunky crossing. You got to get over this one and then wait for that one. But nonetheless, cut through Northeastern off of Ruggles. In a nutshell, you're right at the MFA.